Election years go, 2017 is a relatively quiet one. Voters will decide many municipal issues in the fall.
However, Tracy, there is one exception, and you've probably already seen the ads. It's the battle over prescription drug prices. News 5's John Kosick joins us live right now from our newsroom. And John, this is a question Ohio voters will have to decide.
Yeah, Danita, and like all statewide ballot questions, the political ads often running around them can be confusing. Would you like to see the state pay less for prescription drugs? And those behind State Issue 2 say, vote yes in November. The issue would forbid any state agency, including Medicaid and prisons, from paying more for prescriptions than the Veterans Administration does. The VA typically pays 20 to 24% less than other agencies. A move supporters say would save the state hundreds of millions of dollars, which could then be used for other health care needs. Those against the plan, including hospitals and veterans groups, say that's not how it works. Big Pharma would then make up their losses from those not getting their drugs in state plans.
It will increase drug costs for veterans and jeopardize our health care.
Those for Issue 2 say these and other ads like them are deceptive.
These ads are paid for by these guys, drug companies, protecting their inflated prices and huge profits.
Finance reports filed with the state this week show that point to be true. The group against Issue 2 has raised nearly $16 million, all of it from the group representing the pharmaceutical industry, but that's something they say they've never hidden from. On the flip side, the new report also shows funding for those urging yes on Issue 2 is almost exclusively from one group as well, the California-based AIDS Healthcare Foundation. They are the largest provider of HIV/AIDS medical care in the U.S. In fact, of the $3.67 million they've raised, only $151, the report showed, came from other contributions. And that is also the same group that was behind a similar ballot issue last year in California that was ultimately defeated by Golden State voters. Live in the newsroom, John Kosick, News 5.